You ever have one of those projects that you've just been sitting on for a long time? You finally got the parts, but you just never finished it? Well, this has been mine. I've got here the digital dice from an old Alien 3D box. But for the longest time, I had to plug it in every time I wanted to use it. Well, no more. I finally wired a battery pack onto it. So now, all I need to do anytime I need to roll initiative is flip it on and roll for initiative. Well, I don't think I made the deck save. Oh, nat 20. Not bad.